this is Holy Saturday or what we call Black Saturday. Kasi nga, black since namatay si Jesus Christ. This is a time of sadness, of mourning. During this time, malungkot siyempre yung kanyang mga pamilya, yung mga taong naniniwala sa kanya, and yung mga disciples ni Jesus Christ. Nandoon sila sa state na kung saan parang nawalan sila ng pag-asa. Kasi yung Messiah, yung tagapagligtas na akala nilang magliligtas sa kanila, magdi-deliver sa kanila, is dead. And do you know that this Saturday is also the Sabbath day for the Jews? And the meaning of Sabbath is rest. So one thing that we can learn from this event is that we must rest in God even though we are being engulfed or surrounded by darkness and sadness in our life. Always remember that God has a plan and a promise. Jesus Christ promised that He will be resurrected. Magbuhay siya muli, and that is the best thing after the darkness, after death. There will be a resurrection and there will be light. There is hope always in Jesus Christ.